Hello, welcome to Slico. In today's video, we are going to discuss about point of sale in Odoo. The point of sale in Odoo is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline sales operation, particularly in retail and restaurant settings. Odoo POS is known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for cashiers to handle customers' interactions and complete sales quickly. It is fully integrated with Odoo inventory and accounting and enabling seamless data flow throughout the entire business process. This integration ensures that every transaction, inventory update, and financial entry is automatically synced with the central system. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topics floor plans, orders, sessions, preparation display, payments, price list, and reporting. This is the flowchart of the Odoo point of sale. The POS workflow begins with the start of the process in a shop or restaurant settings. Customers are attended to the and selected their orders added to the cart system. The stock availability is verified to ensure products are ready for delivery. If the stock is available, the process moves forward. Otherwise, it has temporarily restocking. In restaurant setting, once the order is confirmed at the POS, it is sent to the kitchen display system where it progresses through various stages as in cook, ready and done. The kitchen staff prepares the order accordingly while the waiter monitors the real-time status. Once the items are ready, the customer moves to the payment stage. Odoo POS support multiple payment options including cash, card and customer account. The payment is processed and validated and the system ensures that the current amount is paid. After the payment is confirmed, an invoice is automatically generated and a receipt is issued to the customer. Once the sale is completed, the system updates the inventory to reflect the sold items. The process ends with the transaction being marked as finalizing. This is the Odoo dashboard. Let's move on to the point of sale. This module may easily used on desktop computers, iPads and tablets. All the point of sale sessions in Odoo will be visible on dashboard of POS module. This is the POS module Kanban view. From here, users can either use this continue selling button to carry on with the current session or this open register option to begin a new session for relevant pause. And customer can place orders by clicking open kiosk or start kiosk button. Here there are three vertical dots present at top right corner of the session. After clicking here, the menu that displays as orders, sessions and reporting for this POS. By using this edit button, users can edit the session also. And this is the list view of the POS module. From here, you can change settings of the POS sessions by clicking on any POS session. You can also build a new POS by pressing the new button and enter the name in this appropriate field. Here You can turn on more functions for this POS accordance with your company needs. Login with employees. This feature can be turned on if you want to permit several employees to log and switch between certain employees. And to access this POS session, either employees can scan badges or input their pins. If you left these two triggered fields empty, all employees can log into POS and have extended rights in POS. By turning IoT box option, then you can connect devices using this IoT box. The field allows you to provide information about the receipt printer and customer display, scanner, electronic scale, etc. By turning the ePOS printer, you can connect devices to POS without an IoT box. You can enter the IP address of receipt printers in this space. Currently, I am discarding the changes. Let's move to the Kanban view. Let's check the configurations inside a session. For that, click on the Open Register button. By opening this, a pop-up asking you to set up an opening cache. At this, POS cache box will appear. Here I am adding $5,200 and adding a opening note also. And we can start the session by clicking Open Register. This is the POS order interface. You can use the POS categories of products which are visible at the top of the screen to occur a list of products in specific categories. Otherwise, you look for the search option to look for the needed product. Then here we can see the orders tab, and it is the view of all orders made during this session. And here this the date, receipt number, order number, customer, cashier name, total amount and the status. Orders can be searched here by using the search bar, and you can filter the result using different options like all active orders, ongoing orders, payment, receipt and paid orders. Go back to the POS order form, click on this back button, and the another option present here is cash in, cash out. In an emergency, the employee can find themselves with no choice except to take money from the counter. To ensure the transparency, it is crucial to enter the cash in and cash out. Imagine that a worker takes cash from the cash register to pay for track. To enter the information, click on the cash out option. Then let's choose the cash out option for this, and the amount enter, add the amount here. Here I am choosing an amount $500, and here we can mention the reason. I am adding the reason as travel and click on the confirm button. It will log the cash out information, and by selecting the cash in, by selecting the cash in button, once the employee return this money, you can enter the sum of this in your counter. Now let's examine the POS ordering process. In the right side of the screen, a list of products will be shown here along with the names and pictures. You can choose product from the provided list when a customer puts in order, and it will be added to the binning session. And you can include an internal note by clicking the internal note. Here I am adding like to sell and click on the apply. You can see the action button here. Click on it and you can see several actions here. The general note is nothing but the internal note to add to any specific products. Here the enter code button is uses for if customer having any coupon or gift card, you can enter here or you can paste it and apply it to your order. And here we can see the quotations or orders associated with this order. Here you can view all the orders created. Customer note. If you have any customer note, enter here and click apply to add to this order. Price list. If you have any price list, apply from here. Here you can view the refund option. Use this if the customer requests a refund after making a purchase for specific reasons. And cancel order to cancel the order. To choose the customer for this order, we can choose this customer field. You can choose a client from the provided list or you can create by clicking on create. Here you can see your customer details by clicking the three lines in the right side, and you can edit the details for this customer. Select the customer for this order and here the payment button is present to start the payment. Here we can see different payment methods that are accessible for the current position. Choose the payment method and this is the appropriate summary. To create the invoice, enable this invoice button and to confirm this payment, click on the validate. Here you can see this print receipt button and the receipt may also deliver to the client through email. And you can start the new orders by using the new order. To close this session, click on the close register button here. Here you can see the sessions, sales and payments through cash, card and customer accounts, and enter the cash count present here. And by clicking on this, and you can enter how many notes or how many coins of particular number are available here. You can enter and click on the confirm. And add the closing note. To download the daily sales receipt report, click on this daily sale and download it. And close the register. And this is how POS works for the shop. Now let's see how it will configure to the restaurant. Now open the restaurant and select the table. Here the green color tables are already booked and white are ready to book. And click on book table and open it. Add the products as per the customer's requirement. To add the customer, click on the customer and select a customer from it, or you can create from it. Here I am selecting from the existing customer. If you want to add any note to the kitchen, you can add it through the kitchen note. And click on apply, and it will reflect it to the kitchen through the kitchen display. And click on the order to place the order, and it will reflect it to the kitchen through the kitchen display for the cooking team. Now let's see how it will visible and complete the process update in the kitchen display. Here we can see that there is one pending operation is in to cook menu. After the process completion, to move it to the next stage by clicking on it. See, it will comes into the ready stage. After completion of this process, again click on this and move it to complete. And click on done. And it will deliver it to the customer. And make payment through the payment option and select the payment method. And to create invoice, enable this invoice button and validate it. And this is the process that was used in the restaurant.